Did you know America's most notorious bank robber escaped from 3 maximum security prisons using nothing but disguises and mind games? Frank Abagnale robbed over 20 banks across the country, but his real talent wasn't stealing money. It was vanishing into thin air. First escape, he convinced guards he was an undercover federal inspector, walked right out. Second escape, he posed as a prison doctor. Nobody questioned the white coat, but his final escape was his masterpiece. He spent weeks studying guard routines, memorizing shift changes, learning their names, their families, their personal stories. Then he stole a guard uniform. For 3 weeks, he showed up to work like any other guard. He patrolled the halls, ate in the cafeteria, even helped lock up other prisoners. On a sunny Tuesday morning, he clocked out for lunch and never came back. The FBI manhunt lasted 6 years. They finally caught him working as a pilot for Pan Am. Using a fake license, he printed himself.